Electrical power systems are responsible for transmitting electricity from generators to end users. Protecting these systems is crucial to ensure the safety of personnel, safeguard valuable equipment, and maintain a reliable power supply. Earth bars play an essential role in specialized protection systems that shield networks from fault conditions. Earth bars, their role in system protection. Faults can arise at any point in the electrical network, with outdoor transmission lines being particularly vulnerable. These faults often result in extremely high currents. While power systems employ protective measures such as overcurrent and distance protection to respond to these faults, there can be brief moments where high current levels persist. These surges can cause dangerously high step and touch voltages, posing a safety hazard to nearby personnel. A critical mitigation strategy involves providing a low impedance path to ground, which helps minimize these risks effectively. Earth bar fundamentals. An earth bar, also known as a grounding or bonding bar, is a key electrical component found in both distribution boards and larger earthing systems. Fundamentally, it is a metal conductor typically made from copper or copper-clad steel designed to serve as a common termination point for the system's earth or bonding conductors. Its primary role is to ensure that all metallic parts and enclosures within an installation are at the same electrical potential, thereby reducing the risk of electric shock or equipment damage during fault conditions. An earthing system refers to the collection of components responsible for directing fault currents safely into the ground. A key element in this system is the earth bar, which serves as a common connection point for all conductive components. Beyond its primary function, an earth bar, also known as a cutoff bar, facilitates the disconnection of earthing installations for inspection and measurement purposes. As illustrated in figure, this component plays a crucial role in evaluating earthing resistance. It is important to note that multiple earth bars can coexist within the same installation, ensuring effective grounding and system reliability. What is an earth bar? An earth bar is a metallic conductor that serves as a central connection point for all conductive components and services. These may include water and gas pipes, electrical power systems, telecommunications infrastructure, and data cables. Standard earth bars offer a practical and efficient means of establishing a common earthing point. Their design varies depending on the specific application they serve. For example, telecoms earth bars illustrated on the right in figure are distinct from industrial or power earth bars, each tailored to meet the demands of their respective environments. The twin disconnecting links are mainly used to offer a temporary break in the connection to the earth, allowing the inspection and testing of multiple earth rod systems while disconnecting them from the lightning protection and earthing system.